India, a land where life flourishes in every direction. Forests breathe with ancient rhythms. Rivers shape civilizations. Mountains rise into the clouds, and coastlines pulse with extraordinary marine life. Though occupying only about 2.4% of the Earth's land area, India shelters nearly 8% of the world's recorded species, placing it among the planet's 17 megadiverse nations. India's extraordinary natural wealth is reflected in its 4 globally recognized biodiversity hotspots, among the 36 hotspots identified across the world. India has documented over 104,561 animal and 56,177 plant species. Nearly 28% are endemic, including red sanders and the lion-tailed macaque. In India, biodiversity is inseparable from culture and tradition. For generations, local communities have acted as custodians of nature, protecting forests, wetlands, rivers, and sacred groves through practices rooted in respect and sustainability. Traditional medicinal systems such as Ayurveda, Siddha, and Unani depend heavily on wild flora. Communities possess deep knowledge of plant properties, seasonal harvesting, and sustainable use, linking human health directly to ecosystem health rooted in India's ancient texts. Agricultural practices are also deeply intertwined with biodiversity. Indigenous crop varieties, folk seeds, and native livestock breeds have been preserved by communities for centuries, contributing to food security, resilience, and adaptation to changing climates. India became a party to the Convention on Biological Diversity (CBD) in 1994 and later ratified the Nagoya Protocol on Access and Benefit Sharing (ABS). To implement these international commitments, India enacted the Biological Diversity Act 2002, establishing a 3-tier governance system that ensures national policy flows seamlessly to local communities. The National Biodiversity Authority was established on 1st October 2003 under Section 8 of the Biological Diversity Act 2002 at Chennai as a statutory body functioning under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India. The NBA is responsible for regulating access to India's biological resources and associated traditional knowledge, especially by foreign entities. At the grassroots, more than 2.76 lakh biodiversity management committees form the foundation of community-led conservation efforts across India. The heart of India's biodiversity governance is the Biodiversity Management Committees, working closely with local communities to prepare the People's Biodiversity Register. A People's Biodiversity Register records the flora, fauna, traditional knowledge, and locally cultivated varieties of a community, including endemic, threatened, or culturally important species. It turns communities into active custodians of biodiversity.
जैव विविधता ये कोई लग्जरी नहीं है, ये कोई शौक नहीं है, ये कोई पैशन नहीं है। जैव विविधता ये हमारे भोजन, हमारे पानी, हमारी दवा, हमारा जलवायु, हमारी संस्कृति और हमारे अस्तित्व से जुड़ा हुआ विषय है।
The Access and Benefit Sharing, or ABS, connects biodiversity directly to community empowerment. It ensures that when biological resources or associated traditional knowledge are accessed for research, commercial use, or intellectual property, the benefits flow back to the communities who have protected and nurtured them for generations.
Andhra Pradesh is the biggest recipient of ABS in the country. So thanks to the red sanders and this high value, being an high value commodity, so red sanders has contributed much to the ABS value.
We have received about 5.6 plus crores worth of ABS, thanks to a major share from the National Biodiversity Authority, and out of that about 3 plus crores have already been distributed.
Access benefit share to the amount of 8.3 crores has been distributed to BMCs of Maharashtra, that is directly to the account of the concerned BMC.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में भारत ने अब तक जैविक संसाधनों और पारंपरिक ज्ञान के उपयोग से 263 करोड़ की राशि प्राप्त करी है और इसका जो 145 करोड़ रुपया है वो सीधा लाभार्थियों तक गया है। लाभार्थी माने जनजाति क्षेत्र में रहने वाले लोग, स्थानीय समुदाय, स्थानीय जो सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप है, स्थानीय जो किसान है और देश भर में 10,500 से ज़्यादा बायोडायवर्सिटी जो मैनेजमेंट कमेटी विलेज लेवल पे उनको इसका लाभ मिला है। आंध्र प्रदेश और तमिलनाडु में विशेष रूप से जो लाल चंदन की लकड़ी है और उसमें एबीएस के तहत 120 करोड़ रुपए हमारे किसानों को प्राप्त हुए हैं।
On this International Day for Biological Diversity 2026, let us renew our pledge to act locally and create a global impact. One Earth, one family, one future. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.